CWC is an automotive company. We have thousands of parts moving through our production plant every day. So we wanted to bring Surgere on to help us automate that data, leverage some of our supply chain issues that we were having earlier, and give us some more insight on where our parts are, how long they're sitting there, and what our next step with them is.
Our customers are traditionally the big OEMs, Ford, GM, Stellantis, Nissan, Volkswagen, you name it. We basically serve all major automotive customers worldwide. The challenge for us was always knowing exactly how much inventory we have on hand and where is this inventory located and what kind of production stage is it. We had several meetings with the Vice President at Surgere. We identified opportunities to improve our processes and procedures, reduce manual effort, error, and redundant data collection.
Our timeline for the project was to be done by the end of the year. We had the antennas installed in about July.
We did work with a team of materials experts to roll out this RFID tracking system here at CWC.
The main thing that came after the antenna installation was installing the tags, which does take a little bit of time by our team, so making sure we had manpower on site to apply the tags was the last thing that we had to finish. But other than that, everything else was right on track.
We believe that RFID is the technology to automatically track material stock levels and also the location of the material very accurately.
Our main goals for the project were to try to increase our inventory accuracy and then cut down on the excessive time we were taking doing manual cycle counting. So walking the plant floor, counting all of the different racks and the part numbers, that was the main thing that we wanted to try to mitigate. So we were excited to have the antennas that could read everything automatically. The pilot plant at CWC has definitely met all of our goals. The software itself was super easy to use, very user-friendly, and a lot of the standard reports that it came with were super beneficial to our team in order to digest more data and know more about our containers and our parts. We're able to locate the racks and tags within the bowling alley to about 2 feet of their actual physical location. So now that we are able to use the Surgere portal to find the assets, we're able to understand how long things have been sitting in the bowling alley, understand their movements throughout the plant, and get a better visualization of the part movement for all of our different racks. The main dashboard that we're using at CWC was the asset localization map, so that shows us exactly where those parts are on the floor. Other than that, we can look at our commissioned assets, so knowing what containers are being tagged in those locations as well, and then also just an overall dashboard of movements of all of our containers and what facilities they're at. To other companies that have similar problems, I would definitely recommend Surgere's systems, their softwares. Working with the Surgere team has been great, very good communication. They're great when they come on site with installs.
Our experience with Surgere has nothing but positive. So we realized that all milestones, all commitments, all promises were kept on time. The expectation from our side was very high from the beginning because we knew we need to act fast to improve our inventory accuracy levels in the plants. As RFID is very versatile and highly accurate in data collection, accurate inventory is essential for a successful business operation in the automotive industry.
Everything they have to offer has been super beneficial to us. We're trying to gain more automation, actually leveraging use of our data, so anything that they're able to help with on that end is definitely very beneficial.